Hello students, welcome back again to the long tech. Let us discuss a little bit about this science also. Yeah, so the science for the Arunachal Pradesh State Board examinations is also of the 100 marks and the pass mark is the 33 marks. And the time duration is given the 3 hours. Yeah, general instruction is given that all questions are compulsory. All the questions are compulsory. It is all from the book inside. Right, so choose the correct options from the given alternatives or given options of here it comes the 5 questions carrying 1 mark is so book का अंदर का थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. A tadpole developed into an adult frog by the process of what? So here are some of the answer. It's already given here, metamorphosis. So please have a look here. ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करेगा हम, आप लोग खुद देख लीजिए. Yes, so this is the choose the correct options, the 5 marks, I mean the 5 questions over here. So I will read out the questions. And next question में आ ही जाता है क्या को, that is the fill in the blank. Okay, so here also 5 marks का एक questions का 5 I mean that एक mark करके 5 question होके 5 marks total. Unwanted sound are called or is called noise, right? A charged body attract an uncharged body toward itself. So answer most of the answer over here. Okay, you can go through or analyze yourself. And also coming that क्या आया है, true or false. Sodium is very reactive metal. Definitely true. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. Kerosene is the fossil fuels only. Okay. So kerosene is not बोला ये गलत है. Okay, so kerosene is a fossil fuels, you know. Okay, a product of the petroleum only. Okay, तो वही देखना पड़ेगा. Earthquake can be predicted in advance. That is definitely false. Cottons and wool are synthetic fiber. That is false. Cottons and wool तो natural fiber है ना. Microorganisms work on the dead bodies of the plants and animals to decompose them. सही है. Yes. ऐसा क्वेश्चन चला गया and अभी coming to the match the followings. Okay, column 1 and column B. Polio. Okay, that is the disease का नाम और कोई भी elements and उसमें वो लोग का virus मतलब agents where they are caused और नहीं तो microbes and also वो लोग का अलग अलग condition में आ रहे column 1 and 2. Polio का virus, yes. Goal is used for jewelry. Ribosium bacteria. It is used to for fixing the atmospheric nitrogen, you know. Teflon used to make non-sticky coating or cookware. Right. Polyester is the fabric do not wrinkle easily, and malaria is the caused by the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito. ऐसा सही है ये. Match the following given here. Yes, ऐसा match the column आएगा. Okay. And coming here in the question number 5 again, the define the following. Read data book define करो बोल के. Okay, so all the endangered and extinct what they call animal and plants को वो लोग data होके मतलब लिख कर रखता है ना. So वही होगा, that is the red data books. वही ignition temperature, lowest or minimum temperature in which the substance starts catching fire ना, उसको ignition temperature simply. Electroplating तो process of the coating a thin layer of metals over another metals, right? ऐसा force the push or pull. Metamorphosis तो sudden change in the shape or नहीं तो structure, right, of the organisms ना. वही braille system which are used by the blind for study and all, right? So that's all. And it comes to the answer in one word. Planet farthest from the sun. Simple, right? Who discovered the penicillins? Answer भी इधर लगाया गया है. The process of fusion of the gametes, the fertilizations and all. Which scale is used to measure the magnitude of the earthquake? Okay, so Richter scale, right? And then the insect which is the common carrier of the microbial disease, housefly and mosquito common. What are the use of the bitumens that is used for the road surfacing? This like this. Okay, and differences between the following. Differentiations are unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Simple, right? And also coming that the sound and the noise, and also fertilizer and manure. Fertilizers तो synthetic है, manure is the naturally occurring or is prepared by the farmers in the field, right? Yes, and give reasons type of the questions. आप लोग का book में give reasons में होता है, वो लोग का हिसाब से ही आ रहा है, okay? Plastic container are favored towards storing the foods because they do not react with the food, right? Chloroplasts are found in the plant cell. Okay, the green pigment presents, that is the chlorophyll is present in the chloroplasts, and they are used for preparing food by the plants. No? Sportmen use the shoes with the spike to run more faster because the spike have the frictions along with the what they call the ground and make the runners to run very fast. LPG is better domestic fuel than wood because it is non-polluting fuels. Okay, high calorific value. It do not give any residues and all. You can put it 2-3 points, right? Yeah. And comment on any, say no to drugs. Yes, आपका knowledge के हिसाब से लिखना पड़ेगा. And number B में the ill effect of noise pollution and how it can be controlled, right? तो आप लोग को दिमाग को देखकर थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा. Yes, and make a sketch of the human nerve cell. Wow, nerve cell को बनाकर you have to write the functions of the nerve cells. Okay, yeah, and carrying the 4 marks. Answer the following questions. Okay, here, can you store lemon pickle in aluminum utensils? Explains. And what is the constellations? Draw any famous constellation, Ursa Major and all that. You can draw it. Where the chromosomes found in a cell, right? And state their functions. Describe how coal is formed. That is the formation of the coal from the dead vegetations. Long years ago, around the 300 million years ago, by the process of carbonizations and all, you can write. What is the process is called? Yeah, we process called as the carbonizations. Draw a level of the human eyes. Bara wala human eyes. Or with the help of the diagram, explain the law of reflections. Okay, there are 2 laws of reflection of light, right? So वो दोनों laws को क्या करना है? आपको explain करना है, right? Yeah, so this one again. Okay, continuing again here. This is the 2019 and 20. 2019 and 20 का questions है. Is it same questions? Think so. Choose the correct options. Okay, that is okay. Question is not same. Okay, मगर उसका मतलब पहला का question तो है मगर उसका position अलग है, right? This is the another year's questions only, right? Same conditions. Okay, choose the option R. This is used in the productions of what? That is what? Alcohol, right? Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Petrol, coal, charcoal, CNG and all. Okay, compressed natural gas, coal, petroleum and charcoal. Charcoal too we can prepare at home. Na? Yeah, ऐसा कर questions choose the options are. I will not take much more time. You can see the questions yourself and prepare. Yeah, fill in the blank are. Blue, green algae fix. Okay, blue, green algae fix. They are directly from air and enhanced fertilizers of the soil, just like it's nitrogen. Least polluting fuel in the vehicle is what? CNG hoga. Sliding friction is smaller, yeah, greater than the static friction. Slight is more, lesser than the statics. Now, the planet which appear reddish in color, red planets, what? It is Mangal Graha, that is what? Mars. Yeah, species found in the particular area is known as the what? Wait, deklo. Indicate whether the following statement true or false. True or false are the questions is here. And amoeba reproduced by buddings. Yes, true or false. Muscle cells are brands. Yes, you can see nicely. Yeah, match the column 1 and the column B or A and B. Aluminium satellite of the Earth. That is moon only now. Okay, lactobacillus. Cutting of milk, constellations, great beer, Teflon used for non-sticky cookware. More or less it is similar. Okay, आगे का question जो है उसके साथ similar types में है. Okay, yeah. So prepare. You can prepare this question also, no problem. Yes. And next question of 5 I had defined the following. What are the antibiotic? Give one antibiotic. Okay, which helps to defend or which fights the organisms coming to our body, you know. And just say penicillin is also an antibiotic, you can say. Okay, streptomycins and all are there ना. Yeah, what are pollutant? हाँ, जो उसको पोल्यूट करते हैं उसको पोल्यूटेंट तो बोलेगा ना, राइट. सो ऐसा कर कर क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं कि एक क्वेश्चंस का 2 मार्क्स है, तो आप लोग हो सकेगा तो एक सेंटेंस या 2 सेंटेंस में लिखने के लिए कोशिश करो. या एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में आ रहा है आंसर इन 1 वर्ड्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सी द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्यूजन ऑफ द गैमेट्स. यस, लाइक दैट. एंड लाइक दिस इज द क्वेश्चंस carrying 1 mark carrying questions. Yeah, in 1 word only you have to answer. And number 7 में आएगा differences between the following flora and fauna, the plants and animals, right? Animal cell and plant cell का difference आप चाहे तो आप diagram बनाकर बना सकता है. That would be more better. क्योंकि एक क्वेश्चंस का 4 मार्क है, सोच के देखो. You cannot keep only 2 पॉइंट देकर आपको 4 मार्क मिलेगा. then नहीं होगा. Never expect that one. Okay, at least आपको 4 points देना पड़ेगा, right? Yes, so you can elaborate little bit more. Okay, हम तो सब लिखा है मगर बहुत कमती मार्क मिलेगा बोलेगा. हाँ, क्योंकि इसमें 4 मार्क्स है, इस मार्क के हिसाब से भी आपका आंसर भी लिखना पड़ेगा ना. 4 मार्क देकर आप सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट देकर हाँ फ्लोरा और द प्लांट या एनिमल सिर्फ एक ही सेंटेंस में ख़त्म करने से नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? सो वही बात है, तो एटलीस्ट सम पॉइंट्स देना पड़ेगा. या and regular reflection and diffuse reflection and noise and music. Yeah, this is the noise and music is repeated from the और साल में ना. Yes, देख लो, simple. And again questions coming. Okay, 3 marks carrying questions of the 5. Okay, 5 questions are there. And this is the calculation. In an experiment, 4.5 kg of the fuel was completely burned. That heat produced was to be the 1,80,000 kilojoules. Calculate the calorific value of the fuels. Okay, the calorific values of the fuels निकालना पड़ेगा इसमें. Yeah, and next में why should we conserve biodiversity and how does acid rain affect us? Yeah, देख लो, that's all from the books. Okay, कोई भी point को भी change नहीं किया है, आपका book में जो दिया है वही calculation सही है. Okay, so nothing changed. Yeah, and also coming here give the answer, give answer of the following questions, any 3. Okay, ज़्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट होके 4 के अंदर में पूरा को मत करो. ओके, उधर में तो जो गलत है उसको क्या करेगा, उसको काटेगा. जब 2 गलत करेगा तो 2 ही काटेगा. ओके, और नहीं तो फास्ट 3 को ही गिनती करेगा. तो 3 करो बोले तो सिर्फ 3 ही लिखो. ओके, इवन दो इफ यू नो ऑल. ओके, ओवर स्मार्ट कर सबको नहीं लिखना है. Yes, and the diagram is coming in. This is science, so draw the level sketch of the human eyes. Yes, बहुत मतलब पहला क्वेश्चंस में भी हम एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. Okay, it's already come. And also draw the level diagram of the candle flame. Level बोलेगा तो you have to level it properly. You have to write different zones of the candle flames also, right? And the humans का eyes का भी different part of the humans eye को भी आप ठीक से क्या करना पड़ेगा, लेवल करना पड़ेगा. Yes, another question is that what is frequency? A pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time periods and the frequency. Time periods and frequency निकालो बोल रहे. Okay, so all these things you have to find out. These are all the questions for the after science. Okay, that's all for the science. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.